Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be doing a drugstore haul. So I got a bunch of, quiet. I got a bunch of things from Walmart, Joe Fresh, Shoppers Drug Mart here in Canada, Rexall. Yeah, Rexall. Okay. If you want to see what I got from the drugstore, then please keep on watching. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Leslie Nicole. I love to do makeup reviews, hauls, get ready with me's, everything like that. So thank you so much for tuning into this channel. I really appreciate it. Okay, so basically what I got, let's open my bag of tricks. I only had the Walmart bag, so that's probably why it's like, oh, Walmart. But so the first thing that I went for were lashes. Oh my god. So I recently did a wedding. If you didn't know, I do makeup, and I'm a makeup artist, and I do actual like clients makeup, and here in Winnipeg. Basically, I was looking for a bunch of lashes to buy, and I saw these really cute ones. So this one, so the first one is, oh my god, is from Kiss. These are all from Kiss. They're really inexpensive for like 5 pairs. They're like 13 bucks Canadian, which I think is awesome because you can do like each person with the lashes. So the first one is Poise by Kiss, and they are like really gorgeous. Look so natural, fluffy lashes. They're like the Demi Wispies, which are my favorite lashes in the whole world from Ardell, but I wanted to try Kiss. So these ones were kind of the like sister brother to that one. So I bought that. These ones were a little bit the same, but these ones are only 4. And this is below it. This is Pompadour by Kiss. And these ones are so much more fluffier, and they're more longer in length. And I was like, oh my god, these are so gorgeous. So even if I don't use those on clients, I will probably just try them on for myself. So, and then the last one is Pixie by Kiss. These ones are so fun. They're like separated on them, and they are super cute. Pixie, and I love a thin band, and I love the way that they move, and they're easy and bendable to go on to your client or myself. All right, next thing that I got is mascara to go with lashes. If you don't know me by now, you know that I'm all about the Lash Sensational mascara, but I was like, you know what, let's try something different, a different brush. Like, I am all about new things. New me, new you 2018. So I quickly got the Blackest Black Maybelline and in this one, and I cannot wait to try it out. So yeah, I'll let you guys know. All right, the next thing I got is from Shoppers. If you don't know XOXO is one of the best brands that I can talk about for Canada. It is because this brand was the first brand that I started my makeup collection, I guess you could say, where I purchased all my makeup from. All my brushes were from there. They were super inexpensive, but they were quality brushes. And they also sell a set. Like, you have no idea. Like, XOXO has saved me from like thousands of dollars spent, and I cannot thank XOXO enough, like, for the fact that they are such a good quality brand, and I'm so happy to buy stuff from them. I'm never disappointed. I'm like not even joking. So I quickly purchased the XOXO Deluxe Rubicel Sponge. This is for when, basically you can use this on as a sponge to put on clients, but I just want to use it to when I hold, like, I'll put it in the pinky, and then when I have to go onto their face, like I have to touch their face, that's the only reason why I bought this. But every other brand, like I bought makeup wipes, the brushes, like I kid you not, like it's such a good brand. But anyways, that's at Shoppers Drug Mart if you live in Canada. Next item was from Joe Fresh. Joe Fresh is another brand that I love. Like, I love the clothing, first of all. Second of all, this is actually from Joe Fresh. Just saying. So this brand, Joe Fresh, is amazing. It's here in Canada, and they're from Real Canadian Superstore. And I bought 2 round powder puffs as well, just for powdering. One for me and then one for the client. Just same thing. One can be softer, the other one is not so spongy. I just wanted a variety in my kit. So yeah. And then the next thing is the Real Techniques sponges. These sponges are by far awesome. Yes, I love the Beauty Blender. That would be the OG ride or die forever. I just really wanted to buy, I wanted a variety in my collection. I mean, I have these, like I think I have one of these, but I had to throw it away because I think I just forgot to clean it. Like, this was in the beginning, like this was years ago, but I haven't bought any lately, and I've missed them. The flat surface that it gives on this whole situation and they soak up. They're just really good brands. So Real Techniques is where it's at. This might be like, oh, this is not drugstore, but it is. We sell these at Shoppers Drug Mart. As you can see, the seal's still there. This is the Stila Day All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. I want to try this so bad. I keep hearing everybody talk about it, and you know what? I don't know why I just stuck with Kat Von D, and I just can't wait to play with this one. It's really, really pretty. Really, really pretty. And last thing, this is from e.l.f. and this is the Liquid Matte Lipstick in Praline. This is a liquid matte lipstick. I love liquid lipsticks, as you can tell. And basically, I was like, I really want to buy an expensive one. This was relatively cheap, and I cannot wait to try it. It's got a super cute doe foot with a hole in it, and that doesn't smell like anything. I'm really excited to try it. And it's like a nudie color. I figured I could try this out first and then eventually buy more of like, let's just swatch. Can buy more of a darker color. Ooh, that is so pretty. It glides on super nice. So I'm really, really pumped for that. So the last thing is we finally got an e.l.f. in Walmart, or like the section for it. Like we have it at Rexall, but this is like a bigger display. I'm really excited. So the first brush that I got was the highlighter brush from e.l.f. e.l.f. brushes are really inexpensive if you are starting out as well. If you don't live in Canada and you are starting out, I would definitely get e.l.f. But like I live in Canada, Quo was the only one at the time. This is the highlighter brush. It's super, super cute for the highlighter, or you can use it to blend underneath your eye to set your eye. That's a good one too. The next one is the Selfie Ready Foundation Blurring Brush. That's always cool. So this brush is very, very dense on the top and very, very nice texture to blend out your foundation. I feel like anything that's dense and soft will make your foundation last. And then the last one is the blush brush. I can never have enough blush brushes because, you know, I just love a good cheek, okay? There's nothing wrong with that. This is the blush brush. It is more flat and whatever, and then you just basically blend it out. So I just wanted to add a couple more pieces to my collection, and for clients' makeup, you know, like I do have separate brushes for clients and for myself, so don't think that I just like mix them all together. That's not what I do. You know, who doesn't like to go shopping? So anyways, with that being said, that is the end of this video. I hope you liked it. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment below on what would you like to see in my next video. I would love to hear from you. So that's it. Love you guys. Bye.
If you're probably like, Leslie, you're super tan. I'll be like, yeah, I got a spray tan. This girl came to my house, tan on the run. She came, everything, and sprayed me with the machine. I was like, done. But my hand is a little bit, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but I didn't sleep with a glove on. That was my bad, but it's alright. Like, everything else looks great.